Yan. Ready na ha? Kiss, kakanta ha. Malakas dapat yung kanta nyo ha. Okay, ready na ha?
Uy!
Nakantok. Okay, ready na ha? Ready. Ala ka ba yung kanta, Kiss ha? Ikaw na nakakita ko dyan. Sabay ba kayo sa pagkanta? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Everybody clap your hands. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Bago yan? Siyempre, importante yung wishes ni Mami. Para kay Andrew, di ba? Mami, ano po wish mo para sa first birthday ni Andrew? Wish ko maging healthy siya. Okay. Para daw maging healthy si Andrew. Birthday to you. Palakpakan naman natin si Andrew. Gawin candle mo, Andrew. Yan. Okay, bublow niya na yung candle. Yay! Palakpakan naman natin sila. So, lahat yung kids, yan, sit down muna po. Isa-serve na po namin yung McDo, yung